Hi, I'm Dave Rohrer, Deputy County Executive for Public Safety for Fairfax County. Right now it's about 7:30 p.m. on Friday night, January 22nd. I'm standing here right outside of the McConnell Public Safety Transportation Operations Center. We're staffing our Emergency Operations Center, the EOC. As you know, it is snowing very hard tonight. Our main message, you've heard this throughout the last few days, I'll keep repeating this. We want you to be home and to stay off the roads. That's for your safety, as well as the safety of our police officers, our fire and rescue personnel, public works, and all of our VDOT crews and contractors. Thank you. Many of you have heeded the advice. You've been staying off the roads. To all of you, please keep doing that. This is a dangerous storm, potentially life-threatening. We haven't got to the heaviest bands yet. They're coming soon. We're going to have high totals of snow all night. We're going to have wind gusts 35 to 40 miles per hour. Please keep taking our advice and stay off the road. Be safe, have hot chocolate, spend time with your kids. Thank you very much. Right now we're doing pretty well. Calls for service are steady. We have very few power outages right now. There are only about 4 or 5 with Dominion Power and none with Novec. We'll be monitoring that all night long. Great collaboration here with all of our county agencies and partners, as well as with VDOT and Virginia State Police. Again, thank you all very much for what you do for us. A great community to serve. Thank you and be safe.